surface trains. I mean, first of all,
we'll
you don't
delay
look
all of the
cool,
other.
and second of all, it's almost guaranteed to be fatal. Do us all a favor and preserve your lifetime by not surfing our trains. The roof of a train is no place for a human body, dead or alive. Stay safe, and we thank you for riding with TTA.
And shuttle to Grand Junction. Connection is available to Mateo North.
The doors will open on the left.
This is a Westpotat bound train. The next stop is Fordham Avenue.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please leave the train.
Please step back from the closing doors.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please leave the train.